Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will guide you through a 3D graphics and movie production software, Unreal Engine 5. Specifically, we will focus on the following 3 steps. Install Unreal Engine 5 by removing unnecessary components to reduce storage space. Project setup. Understand how to initialize a project and create levels within a project. Performance settings. Project optimization options to increase work efficiency. One. Install UE5. Start by installing UE5. Please select the latest version, currently 5.2. Click on the option where we will fine-tune the installation by removing unnecessary components. For example, iOS, Linux, Android. Once installed, start Unreal Engine 5 by pressing Start or create a quick icon on the desktop. This eliminates the need to access the Epic Games Launcher every time you want to get started. 2. Project setup. There are many templates to choose from to suit different goals: gaming, film, architecture, product design, and more. For example, if you are working on residential design, choose an architectural template. This template provides the right starter settings and resources to get your project started. Select a location to save the project. I will save it on the drive in my project folder and name it My Lesson. Then, click Create to start the project. Our new project is ready, but updating may take some time. Adjust the interface to make it easier to use by clicking the plus icon on the left. Click on Place Actor. This will bring up the tool palettes. Place Actor is a part of the interface that users can use to add objects, lights, characters, and other elements to the project space to help build landscapes and create similar situations in game or multimedia works. After that, we will open the Content Browser panel by clicking on Window, Content Browser 1. Next we will initialize level. Click File, New Level, and select Empty Level. Empty level is space with no geometry. You have an empty space with no geometry, materials, lighting, or any other elements. This gives you the freedom to design and build the environment as you wish. Save the level using Ctrl+S. And name this level, for example, Bedroom. Click Save, and immediately, you see file name has been updated here. If you want to create another folder, the method is similar. We can check which level is present in the viewport by clicking on the toolbar on the left side of the screen. So, there are 2 different levels in one project. This allows we manage and develop content effectively. 3. Performance setting. Correct performance settings ensure smooth functionality across devices, including those with lower specifications. This seamless experience without stutters or lags is essential. Optimize settings by clicking Edit Project Settings, scroll and select Rendering. Select Collapse All Categories, top right corner. The items Global Illumination and Reflectivity also select No. Set Reflection Capture Resolution to 256 for lighter files. Increase it when higher quality output is required. Uncheck bloom and exposure items in default settings. In My Buffer format, select High Precision for smoother images. Finally, Through this tutorial, you have had the opportunity to familiarize yourself with Unreal Engine 5 in detail and effectively. We have focused on the basic steps to install, initialize the project, and optimize the workflow. Thank you for taking the time to follow this guide. If you find the content useful, please press the like and subscribe button to share the joy and support us. Your support helps us continue to provide more helpful tutorials. Thanks and see you in upcoming tutorials.